Let me ask you this. What is the one winter piece you reach for every single year? Think about it for a moment. Today I want to share 7 French winter rules that quietly transform your outfits. No big shopping haul, no complicated styling, just simple things that make a big difference. By the end of this video, you will understand why French winter style feels effortless, and how you can bring that same calm elegance into your own wardrobe. So, let's talk about the rules French women actually swear by. French women refresh their wardrobe the same way they approach everything, with intention. They do not chase trends, they choose pieces that still look beautiful after 10 winters. This look shows what longevity really means. A camel coat, a clean cream jacket, and simple black trousers. Nothing here depends on trends. Every piece holds its shape, its purpose, and its beauty year after year. A gray wrap coat over soft winter basics is another perfect example. The lines are clean, the textures are timeless, and the whole outfit feels calm and intentional. Pieces like this don't age, they evolve with you. And here, a navy knit dress under a structured camel coat. It's warm, polished, and effortless in the quietest way. These are the pieces you invest in once, and they take care of you for seasons to come. Houndstooth, plaid, small-scale checks. The French treat prints as a quiet form of structure, not noise. Choose the one that feels like you, not the one the store insists is trending, because a print only looks elegant when it reflects your personality. This navy, knit with a softly structured plaid skirt, shows how prints can be elegant and grounded. The pattern isn't loud, it gives the outfit rhythm and refinement without any noise. And here, a warm brown cardigan layered over a crisp white shirt with a subtle navy skirt. The proportions and textures create structure, while the understated colors make it feel quietly confident. French winter style is all about the right materials. Cashmere, wool, structured flannel, heavy rib knits. These fabrics keep you warm without adding unnecessary bulk. They allow you to move, breathe, and feel comfortable, while still looking polished. Your coat should feel like a warm hug, not a heavy blanket. A black cardigan layered over a flowing satin skirt shows how fabrics can soften a winter outfit. The sheen of the skirt gives movement, the cardigan brings comfort, and the two-tone flats finish it with classic Parisian ease. Get access to all my exclusive outfit capsules and style guides. I drop a new one every month in the Elegant Insider Club. Join below to unlock everything. This soft faux fur coat over black winter basics brings dimension without bulk. The contrast between plush texture and clean denim makes the look warm, modern, and incredibly feminine. And here, a striped shirt under a thick gray half-zip knit. It's casual, warm, and unmistakably French, fabrics doing the quiet work of style. This rule is where French elegance becomes powerful. Black trousers, a navy knit, a perfect white shirt, ankle boots or loafers, that is the base. The simplicity creates room for expression. The structure creates confidence. A uniform is not boring, it is freedom. It removes the morning chaos and replaces it with calm predictability. This look is a perfect example of a French winter uniform. A soft beige knit, wide black trousers, a simple belt, and slingback flats. The colors are quiet, but the gold earrings and watch add just enough polish to make it feel intentional, not basic. Here, the uniform is built from texture, a gray cable knit cardigan, straight blue jeans, and block heel ankle boots. The matching scarf and black bag pull everything together, so it feels cozy and relaxed, but still structured enough to wear anywhere. Layering looks simple, but it isn't accidental. Leah will show you.
As someone who watches style from the outside, I always notice when an outfit feels right. Look at this one. A crisp white shirt, a black knit vest, straight denim, and deep burgundy accents in the bag and shoes. It looks balanced, warm but structured, minimal but expressive. And the burgundy is doing something subtle. It anchors the whole outfit without shouting. This is what effortless French layering actually looks like.
And this is the classic Parisian layered uniform. A striped sweater with wide leg denim, ankle boots, and a clean black bag. You can wear it with the camel coat for daytime or swap to the black blazer in the evening. Same base, two elegant variations. This is layering done the French way. A clean white shirt for structure. A soft cream vest for warmth. And a black pea coat to ground everything. The wide leg denim keeps it relaxed, while the black boots and bag add that polished, confident finish. French women choose fabrics that look elegant and feel comfortable. Corduroy, structured wool, tailored flannel, these give winter outfits presence. Now Leo adds one more insight.
A leopard print coat over a cropped black cardigan, classic denim, and sharp black ankle boots. To me, this shows confidence without shouting. The print is bold, yes, but everything around it is calm. French women know how to anchor a statement piece, so the whole outfit stays balanced.
A winter outfit doesn't need 10 ideas. It needs one. A red scarf, a beautifully structured bag, a pair of wool socks in a rich tone. Pick one thing and let it shine. This outfit is a great example of choosing one idea and letting it lead. The red scarf adds just enough energy to the black cardigan and soft check trousers. Everything is calm and the color becomes the statement. Here, the statement comes from the unexpected detail, the deep burgundy cap. The rest of the look is minimal and structured, which makes that one casual accent feel intentional, not sporty or loud. Let's say it's Americana meets French chic. This combination shows the power of controlled drama. The red coat is already a statement, so the leopard boots echo the confidence without overwhelming the outfit. Everything stays balanced and very Parisian. French winter style is not about buying more. It is about choosing better. It is about trusting your instincts, simplifying your choices, and letting warmth and structure do the quiet work of elegance. When you strip away the noise, your real style finally appears.
As a husband and a father, I see how much clarity changes a woman's confidence. That's why I'm preparing a new series called Elegance Explained. It's about understanding the system behind style so you can buy less and look better. If that resonates, subscribe. There's a lot I want to show you.